Did you know that strengthening your legs can prevent falls in seniors? Well, it's true. Our legs are the pillars of our bodies, carrying us from place to place and lending balance to our movements. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. If you comment that you subscribed, I'll personally reply to your comment. As we age, maintaining leg strength becomes even more crucial because you see there's a direct correlation between leg strength and fall prevention. While it might sound intimidating, boosting leg strength doesn't necessarily mean hitting the gym or lifting heavy weights. In fact, there are simple exercises that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. These exercises are designed to enhance your leg strength, boost your balance, and ultimately reduce the risk of falls. So if the thought of having stronger legs and a safer, more balanced life sounds appealing to you, you're in the right place. Stay with us as we dive into these simple exercises that can be done right in the comfort of your own home. Our first exercise is the chair squats, a wonderful exercise for seniors that targets the thighs and buttocks. So how do we perform chair squats? It's quite simple, really. Start by standing in front of a chair, feet hip-width apart. Extend your arms so they are parallel to the ground, and then slowly bend your knees, lowering your body towards the chair. Just when you're about to sit, push yourself back up to the standing position. That's 1 rep. Now, why is this exercise so beneficial? Well, chair squats not only strengthen your thighs and buttocks, but they also improve your balance and coordination. It's like hitting 3 birds with 1 stone. And here's a little trick. Try to keep your weight on your heels while squatting. This will engage your thighs and buttocks even more. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to do this exercise regularly and stay tuned for our next exercise that will take your leg strength to even greater heights. Next up, we have leg lifts, a simple yet effective exercise that strengthens your hips, thighs, and lower back. To perform this exercise, start by lying flat on your back with your arms at your sides. Slowly raise one leg off the ground, keeping it as straight as possible. Hold it there for a moment and then gently lower it back down. Repeat this with the other leg. It's a simple movement, but don't be fooled. This exercise is a powerhouse when it comes to strengthening your lower body. Leg lifts are particularly beneficial for enhancing leg strength, which is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing falls. They target the muscles in your hips and thighs, which are essential for stability. Furthermore, they engage your lower back muscles, promoting better posture. So don't underestimate the humble leg lift. It might not look like much, but it packs a punch. Make leg lifts part of your daily routine and you'll notice the difference in your balance and strength. Our final exercise is the heel-to-toe walk, a fantastic exercise for improving balance and coordination. To perform this exercise, you'll want to find a flat surface like a hallway or a long room where you can walk in a straight line. Start by placing your right foot in front of your left foot so that your right heel touches your left toes. Now step forward, placing your left heel directly in front of your right toes. Continue this heel-to-toe motion as if you're walking on an imaginary tightrope. This exercise is a real boon for your balance, enhancing your proprioception. That's a fancy word for your body's ability to sense its own position in space. It also strengthens the muscles in your legs and feet, which are crucial for maintaining balance and preventing falls. Incorporate the heel-to-toe walk into your daily routine, and you'll be walking with more confidence in no time. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. We can't wait to hear about your preventing falls exercise adventures. So there you have it, 3 simple exercises that can help you strengthen your legs and prevent falls. First, we had the chair squats, a great way to build strength in your thighs and buttocks. Then we moved on to leg lifts, which not only work your thighs, but also your abdominal muscles. And finally, we wrapped up with the heel-to-toe walk, an exercise that improves your balance and coordination, making you less likely to stumble or trip. Each of these exercises are easy to do and require no special equipment, making them perfect for anyone, anywhere. The key is consistency. Incorporate these into your daily routine and watch how they transform your strength and stability. It's not about doing 100 of each every day, but about making small, consistent efforts that lead to big changes. And remember, it's never too late to start improving your strength. Remember, a stronger you is just a few exercises away. So start today and feel the difference.